Hello everyone, this is Kathleen and I'm here today to explain what I'm going to do for my design team project this month for Stacy's Stories on Etsy. I have been wanting for some time to use her Roaring Twenties kit. It's very Art Deco and I just I love that. I'm quite inspired by that, and I started in July um, trying to make a journal with this kit for my son-in-law who's getting ready to graduate from college, and he is a jazz trumpet player. And yeah, I found this ages ago. I had to pay $10 for it, but it's this beautiful vintage photo of this trumpet, handsome gentleman, and he's got a trumpet in his hand. And I thought, oh my gosh, I'll never run into that again. So I snagged it, and I'm going to do this jazz music journal for his when he graduates. But I like with a lot of things, particularly concept journals that I make, I just can't get my head around it yet. So I'm going to put that aside for now because I obviously missed doing a July project because July was just incredibly busy for me. So I'm going to roll it over into August, and I'm going to do just an Art Deco kind of, I think, Paris, because Stacy also has, that Paris kit that I have, and I may use some of those images and just do them in black and white, sepia, print them that way. Anyway, so I will put a link in the description for this kit in case you want to play around with it. But I've done a cover. I'm just going to do this soft fabric cover because I want to do some bulky stuff. This is hopefully going to be a little bit chunky. Only one signature, but I want it to be chunky, and so I'm going to make it so that it'll kind of, mold around the stuff that's inside. So I've covered the chipboard with fabric, this pretty fabric, and then I have done the inside with just my dictionary page. So the cover is kind of ready for the signatures to be sewn in. I don't know how I'll decorate the front, but let me show you the kit before I do anything else. I will probably just show you what I'm going to do and then go away and do it and show you a flip through. So I have printed 3. There are 10 designs for pages, and I have printed 3 on the back of some other designer paper. This is a kind of a heavy paper, and it's got this embossing on it. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. And I love both of those images. And then I have printed this one onto just a colored paper. So I have those 3 design pages, and then I have also printed 2 of the designs onto a thin, a tearable paper, and one onto a tissue paper. So this, will be transparent, and I am wanting to do a masterboard to make, little, I don't know, tucks and elements and tags. And so I will probably make a masterboard with those 3. And then I have several just plain writing papers. And this is from a book, an Art Deco book that I have. And just a couple of other book pages that I'll put in the signature. And then this is like a card, a lightweight card. It's Tim Holtz, I think. So I will use that. And then I printed only 3 of the ephemera. For now, I may go back and print some more but these are the ephemera pieces that I'm going to be working with. So yeah, so it's exciting. Another journal coming up. In addition to the Nouveau Fairy, we're getting toward the end of that. That's going to be finished pretty quick. And then I also have a couple of other journal projects in mind. But there you go. That's what I'm going to do this month for Roaring Twenties. Stacy Stories on Etsy. Thanks so much, and I'll be back and show you what I do.